My name is Abby, and in this video I'll be showing you how I make my simple turkey stew. People call it Nigerian stew. I don't yeah, it's Nigerian stew. This is how we make our stew here in Nigeria. Anyways, so in this video I'll be showing you how I make my turkey stew. It's very straightforward, it's easy, it is delicious, it is what else? It is everything. If you want to see how I made this beautiful, tasty turkey stew, keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share my video, and leave your comments down below. And also all the ingredients I use going to be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I'll see you in the video. Bye for now. So the first thing I did was to add my turkey into a pot. Then I added ginger paste and garlic as well. I added onions, I added seasoning, chicken seasoning, salt, thyme and curry. Then I gave it a quick stir and covered it just to allow everything marinate very well. After a few minutes, maybe like a minute or so, I added water and allowed it to boil, like to get soft to my liking. After boiling the turkey, I poured in oil into a pan and added diced onions in it. This takes the oil to another level entirely. Like, it gives the oil a very nice flavor. You guys should try it. I promise you're going to like it. Then I just put my turkey in the oil, allowed it to fry. I like my turkey very crispy, very crispy. Anyways, after frying it, I took it out from the oil, and in that same pan I put in my pepper, tomato and onions puree. A quick tip: when you want to make fried stew like this, when you're blending your pepper, onion and all that stuff, make sure you don't blend it till it's smooth. Yeah, you want to still be seeing all the pepper and all that stuff inside it. You want to blend it very well, and it's the best thing to use is a food processor to do this. Then I added in some stock. I first put it in the oil, then allowed it to fry a little bit. Added my chicken stock, my turkey stock, and before you add more seasoning, just taste it first to make sure it's enough, or make sure you need more before adding more seasoning. Then I added more seasoning, a little bit of seasoning, salt. I covered it, I stirred it, allowed it to fry a little bit, covered it, then added my turkey into the stew and allowed it to simmer for a little bit again, and that was it. Like, it was just very straightforward, very simple, and very tasty. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments down below. Bye.